we watched the 2022 World Cup in Qatar and saw the magnificent architecture of Al Bayt Stadium from the kickoff of the opening match of the first World Cup in Qatar. There is no doubt that many of us have thought about how architects designed and created these great stadiums. Qatari architecture generally blends contemporary geometric aesthetics with traditional building forms. Examples include the Museum of Islamic Art, which fuses traditional Islamic architecture with modernization, and Jean Nouvel's National Museum of Qatar, which he conceived as a stunning architecture of interconnected discs inspired by the desert rose. These renowned museums stand for more than just aesthetic beauty. Sustainability was a consideration in the construction of each. Along with fostering art, culture, and knowledge, Qatar Museums also aims to promote environmental consciousness. The definitive guide to Qatar World Cup stadiums. The 8 stadiums created for the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 team had the same concepts, with the same approach mentioned above. Each stadium's design reflects Qatari culture, while also considering ecological responsibility. The use of cutting-edge water and energy-saving technologies during construction and sustainable building practices are additional features. Let's now learn more about these 8 superbly designed stadiums, all situated in and around Doha, the capital of Qatar. 1. Lusail Stadium. Capacity: 80,000. Due to its vast size, it hosted the final match of the tournament. Its innovative design is influenced by how light and shadow interact in the lighthouse lantern. Its structural form and facade bear decorations from Arab and early Islamic masterpieces and furniture. The greatest architects planned the stadium with a rail system and greenery, transforming the area into a beautiful green space primarily focused on sustainable environmental conservation. Foster Plus Partners and Populous collaborated on the stadium's design, collaborating its construction with HBK Contracting, HBK, and China Railway Construction Corporation, CRCC. The 200,000 square meter stadium, designed in the style of Qatar's nomadic residence of Beit al-Shayar. Traditionally, tents are outlined with black and white stripes, a tribute to Qatar's past and present. 3. Al Janoub Stadium. Capacity: 40,000. In honor of Al Wakra's maritime past, the sails of conventional dhow boats inspired the design. Thanks to an innovative cooling system and retractable roof, the stadium is available all year. The well-known architecture firms AECOM and Zaha Hadid Architects collaborated on the stadium's design. 4. Al Thumama Stadium. Capacity: 40,000. The stadium's design pays tribute to the kafia, a traditional hat worn by men and boys throughout the Middle East. Kafia is a crucial element of traditional clothing in the region. In addition, it represents dignity and freedom. The stadium's unusual design, according to architect Ibrahim Mohammed El Jaida, also serves a practical purpose by protecting spectators from the sun, similar to the way a cranium protects the wearer's head from the heat. This playground has been commissioned along with a solar-powered cooling system. 5. Ahmad bin Ali Stadium. Capacity: 40,000. Ramboll, a design and engineering firm based in the United Kingdom, created this ornament stadium on the eastern edge of Doha. The Ahmad bin Ali Stadium stands different by its elaborate metal exterior, which pays tribute to classic Qatari facades widely recognized as Naqsh, and is contrasted with solidly built concession stands along the edges that refer to the surrounding desert. The stadium's illuminated facade features designs that represent crucial attributes of the nation, including the value of family, the charm of the desert, the local flora and fauna, and regional and global trade. All the other shapes come together to form the fifth shape, a shield, which stands for the strength and cohesion that are especially important to the city of Al Rayyan. 6. Khalifa International Stadium. Capacity: 40,000. This stadium underwent renovations for the World Cup after its construction in 1976. The stadium's original double arches have now been preserved and supplemented by a vast canopy that holds the brand-new cooling system. Additionally, 12,000 more seats were added to the stadium to increase capacity, and a new LED lighting system with a reimagined facade was installed. 7. Stadium 974. Capacity, 40,000. The name, Stadium 974, refers to Qatar's international calling code and the number of shipping containers used to construct the stadium's stairways, stores, restrooms, and some of its exterior. In honor of the nearby port and the industrial past of the land it was built on, the stadium's construction included standard, licensed cargo containers and customizable steel elements. The result is a unique, brightly colored, contemporary arena designed by Fenwick Iribarren architects. Given the stadium's witty construction method, fewer building materials were needed during development, which reduced expenses. 8. Education City Stadium. Capacity, 40,000. Triangles on the stadium's facade form intricate, diamond-like geometric shapes that seem to change color as the sun passes through the sky. The stadium's design, inspired by diamonds, stands for artistry, persistence, and endurance. After the Qatar World Cup is over, there are plans to transform the stadium's location in Education City into a sports hub, with the seating cut down to create space for university lecture halls and meeting rooms.